Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I hope you're all doing well and having a wonderful day. I'm happy to be here with you, and together we're going to paint this beautiful and peaceful landscape. In this painting, we'll create a calm forest scene with clear water, tall pine trees on both sides, and soft sunlight shining through the sky. To begin, I mix blue, white, and just a touch of black to paint the upper part of the canvas. I softly blend the colors together, and as I move downward, I gradually lighten the color to create a gentle and natural sky gradient. Next, I add a little yellow to the mixture to create a soft, muted green. With this color, I start shaping some distant trees in the background. These trees are very soft and subtle, so they appear far away and slightly misty. Then I mix a much darker green and begin painting the tall pine trees on both sides of the scene. These trees will frame the composition and guide the viewer's eye toward the center of the landscape. Of course, after painting the base of the water, we'll come back to the trees again and continue refining them. Using a small flat brush, I add thinner trees with more delicate details in the background. These extra layers of trees help build depth and make the forest feel more natural and full. Now I begin working on the base of the water. I start with a lighter color in the distant part of the lake. Then I mix white, blue, and a little yellow to create a beautiful turquoise tone. I apply this color to the sides and the foreground area of the water to give the feeling of clear, fresh water. To suggest the stones beneath the surface, I lightly tint some areas with warm tones. This helps create the impression of transparency and depth in the water. I would also love to hear from you in the comments. Please let me know where you're watching my video from. It always makes me happy to see people from different parts of the world joining me here and painting together. I also add soft reflections of some of the trees into the water using gentle vertical strokes. These reflections make the lake feel calmer and more realistic. Now it's time to return to the trees on both sides of the painting. This time, I carefully develop them one by one, giving each tree its own unique shape and character. I add highlights to the foliage to bring the leaves to life and to show how the sunlight touches different parts of the trees. Each tree is slightly different, so the forest looks natural rather than repetitive. Next, I begin painting the stones at the bottom of the river. I start by using the turquoise color we used for the water as a base layer. Then I introduce warmer tones such as orange and light brown for the stones in the foreground. As the stones move closer to the viewer, I make them larger, clearer, and more detailed. This gradual change in size and clarity helps create a strong sense of perspective and depth in the painting. Next, I mix a dark brown color and dilute it slightly with water. Using a small round brush, I carefully darken the spaces between the stones. This simple step helps separate the rocks from each other and adds a stronger sense of depth and dimension to the foreground. By deepening these shadowed areas, the stones begin to look more natural and three-dimensional, as if they are really resting beneath the clear water. After that, I return to some of the stones in the front and add a few brighter highlights. These small touches of light help the stones stand out and give them a slightly wet and reflective appearance, which makes the water feel even more transparent. Now it's time to add the final atmospheric touches to the painting. I create a very soft glow in the center of the water using a highly diluted light color. I keep the paint very thin so the effect stays gentle and natural. From this bright area, I softly paint subtle rays of sunlight flowing downward into the scene. These light beams spread across the sky and touch the surface of the water, bringing warmth and harmony to the entire composition. I hope you enjoyed painting this beautiful scene with me. If you liked this tutorial, please consider liking the video and subscribing to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next painting.